Hey guys, Andrew here from Calvert Sports Cards. Got a pack opening for us today. Some more NHL Series 2. I got one mega box and one blaster box for us today. Opened up two megas and a blaster a couple days ago. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. Got a couple sick pulls. Yeah, so definitely I recommend go checking that out after you check out this video. Yeah, so we'll start here. Yeah, we'll start with the mega box. So mega box comes with one of these extra packs in it. The pack opening we did the other day, the blaster box was different. So this is a blaster we had today. It's got 8 cards, 7 packs. Mega box, same as last time, 8 cards, 12 packs. The blaster we did the other day came with a giant card. So if you want to compare, I guess, I'm sure they're pretty similar, but today we've got standard blaster. So let's get into these mega packs, or mega box packs. If I can open it, there we go. All right, pack number 1. So, open this up the other day. I don't feel the need to scroll through and highlight every single player. Obviously, if we had something big, we'll mention it, but especially with base cards. D'Angelo as our canvas insert. A little bit of hot water lately for him. A little bit stickier than usual today. Got our first young gun here. We got Cole Smith. Don't know too much about him. Played NCAA at North Dakota, but yeah, Cole Smith, young gun with Nashville. Spezza and Hunt. One thing I did want to mention is the last video when I was signing off, I mentioned to go check us out on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is Calvert Cards. Calvert Sports Cards is too long of for Twitter's characters. So yeah, if you want to go check us out on Twitter, it's at Calvert Cards. Camel card. We got a double insert here. We got Vitaly Kravtsov and Joel Kurtavina. Don't think I said that right, but Kravtsov's a rookie, so kind of interesting. You got a rookie in the Dazzlers. I got his. I don't have it with me, but I got his young gun from Series 1. So. Marlowe, Bjork, checklist. Email Laramie. Zingold, Terry. Only one young gun so far, so hopefully it kind of picks up here. Crosby, Rantanen, UD Portraits rookie Stuart Skinner, goalie for the Oilers. looks like we got another Dazzler here. Slavin. All right, Johansson, Cam Fowler. We got a double insert again. Marquee rookies, Steven Lawrence for the Hurricanes, and Tyler Bertuzzi, Dazzler. So I think I was looking on the side of the box. I could be wrong, but I believe you can only get green Dazzlers in the Mega Box, and then you can get different colors in the blasters. Could be wrong. If I'm wrong about that, let me know in the comments below. But I do believe that was how I interpreted it. We got a red parallel. So you get one of the Beauty Portraits red foil in each of the Mega Box. So that looks like what we've got here. And is Reed Duke. So if you don't know who that is, he is the first Vegas Golden Knight. They signed him as a free agent. Not too sure if he's even made his debut yet. But yeah, Vegas signed him before the expansion draft, so that's why he's considered the first Vegas Golden Knight. Got a canvas here. Hoffman. All right, we got Program of Excellence. Oh, we got a Lafreniere Program of Excellence. Not sure if that's worth anything, but Lafreniere is always a very popular name. And I was looking. This is in 1 out of 192. I'll check this out. The last pack opening. But yeah, 1 out of 192 packs gives you a Program of Excellence. And I mean, when you get Lafreniere, however you say it, I mean, gotta be solid. Dustin Brown, Bovequist, Girgensson, and Roman Josi round that out. But that is a nice one. You might hear my cat meowing down there. Got a young gun coming up. Kucherov, Shabbat, Rousseau, and Dylan Cousins with Buffalo. Buffalo's having a rough season. Oops, hit my tripod. There we go. Hopefully this is a little bit shorter of a video. The other one I put out the other day was a little bit longer. We got a portraits here. Kuznetsov. All right, Olli Juolevi, rookie portraits. Panik, Pacioretty. All right, last pack here. I think we only pulled 2 young guns out of this Mega Box. Yeah, I think it's only 2. And not looking good here. Kyle Connor, Rana, Gaudette, Hellebuck. All right, so the blue parallels of these are 1 out of 30. So Connor Ingram, marquee rookie, 1 out of 30 odds per pack to get a blue parallel of the marquee rookies. Hartman and Kubalik to round it out. I think it's only 2 young guns out of this whole. Yeah, it's only 2 young guns out of the Mega Box. All right, now we got, this is the Mega exclusive, like bonus pack. Bowen Byram, that's a pretty good one to start. All right, we got a red parallel. Josh Norris. And Gabe Valerdi. So not the greatest names, but still some cool ones. And red parallel, the generic ones are silver, so red's pretty cool too. All right, Let's set these to the side. And let's get after this blaster. So we got 7 packs here. And then that'll be that. I don't know why I'm having trouble opening some of these. Got checklist on the front. Looks like it's a base pack. That's unfortunate. So what I'll do is I'm gonna set that to the side and I'll double check that it's not a like a short print or something after. Something pink right there. Oh, it's the backside of Dazzlers. Okay, Foligno, DeBrusque, DeHaan, Sherratt. Got Sean Monahan Dazzler. Reese, Blackwood, and Brendan Lemieux, who I think has been traded. I think he plays for LA now. So. Lindblom, Jeff Skinner. We got Dylan Larkin, UD Canvas. Goryanov, Brown, Bailey. Round out the base cards. No major pulls yet. That Lafreniere we got in the mega pack's pretty cool, but nothing too crazy. Looks like we got a young gun here. Giroux, nothing to see you. All right, Joel Kellman. Don't know too much about him. Plays for the Sharks. Joel Kellman, another young gun. All right, as we are wrapping it up here, if you want to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, we are just getting started on YouTube in this kind of this game here. So we appreciate all the support. Like moving forward here, it's gonna be another base pack, isn't it? Yep, man. Rough ones out here today. Let me set that to the side too. I'll double check. But 2 packs left. Not done quite yet. Although that's a bad sign. Bellemare, Vasilevsky, Nyquist, Sundqvist. Yikes, boys. This blaster might be one of the worst blasters I've opened. Not just with Series 2, but Series 1, some baseball, some football. That is hopefully can change right here. But I think it's going to be UD Portrait. I think that's what I saw the backside of. Yep. Bozak, Hutton. Okay, we got Alexander Alexiev with the Caps. And rookies, Yanni Hakipana. So, nothing outrageous there. That Lafreniere is definitely the highlight of it. So here's the rest of the inserts that we got. Josh Norris, Bowen Byram, Gabe Valerdi, Alexiev, Kellman, Canvas, Larkin, Monahan, Cole Smith, Dylan Cousins, Reed Duke, Bertuzzi, Skinner, Laramie, Kravtsov, Ingram, D'Angelo, and then that Lafreniere there. So that will about do it for this video. Hope you guys Have a great rest of your day. Have a solid week. And until next time, I'm out. See ya.